What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So today I will be talking about eBay titles. Okay, I will be explaining exactly how eBay titles work and how you can have the best title possible, so you will have insane free traffic, okay, and that which finally will convert to sales. But before we start, guys, okay, I made a full presentation. Just before we start, just know that I'm doing every single Saturday, I'm doing live Q&As for you guys, so you can go ahead and ask everything that you want, that I can help you grow your business, guys. So I have a link in the description which you can set yourself a reminder, so go ahead and check this link, set yourself a reminder, and I will see you on Saturday, guys. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay guys, so today I will be showing you and teaching you exactly how to create the perfect eBay product title. Okay, so let's go briefly about the things that we will be talking about in this presentation. So the first one will be how to optimize an eBay title. Okay, how to do that. The first thing will be why is that the title is that important, okay, and why we putting so much importance for having a good title. And should you optimize titles? Okay, this is like the most common question. Should you optimize titles, snipe titles? So let's start. But before we start, okay, just quickly, the most important thing before we start, okay guys, so of course smashing the like button, okay, so this video will reach to as many people as possible so we can help them out as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with the presentation. So the first thing is how to optimize your titles, okay, and I'm talking about how to go and build your title from zero, from scratch, and you want to go ahead and create a brand new optimized titles. Okay, I will be going through the tools, okay, that the main tools that you can go ahead and use by yourself to create a high optimized and searchable title. So the first one is title builder. Okay, this is the most common one, and a good thing that you can go ahead and divide it by which marketplace, because every single marketplace has a different let's say keywords. So basically in this website you can go ahead and find the most searchable keywords on eBay that buyers are getting going to eBay and looking for, okay, and with that placing those keywords, to make sure first that they are relevant, and use those keywords in your title. Okay, the second one that we have is Zik Analytics. Okay, so Zik Analytics is known as right now I think the best product research tool if you are using product research tool. Okay, I have also the manual. I'm doing the manual dropshipping, so I have a manual dropshipping store and AliExpress store. In the manual dropshipping store, I'm not using any software because it is manual. Okay, in the AliExpress store, I am using Zik Analytics, but maybe not all of you are you know that Zik Analytics, when for example you are doing a product research in Zik Analytics, you can also do analytics for the title, okay, from all the competitors that are selling the same exact item, or like let's say like men polarized glasses, something like that. And you can see from if you using Zik Analytics, you can search and see like what are the most used keywords and that perform the best with also it gives you like the competition, so you can go ahead and use the title analytics in Zik Analytics. And the last one is Terapic. Okay, you can also create a good SEO optimized title on Terapic, which I think it is free for stores, for store owners on eBay. So basically those are the three main tools that you can use to create your title, and why I'm not explaining exactly how you can do that, and why I'm not showing you exactly how you can do that and create the title using one of those tools, because you will get the answer by the end of this presentation. Okay, so let's proceed. So why is the title that important? Okay, why do we need like an optimized titles? Okay, why just not bulk post items from different websites and that's it? So I have here an example for good optimized title. Okay, eBay gives us 8 characters in the title section that you can put up to 80 characters, used up to 80 characters in your title, and that is and you need to use everything that you can, okay, which I will explain to you right in a second. I will explain you why. Okay, this is fully optimized title, okay, with great keywords and also long tail keywords. Okay, so the first thing is title with high searchable keywords that converts the best. Okay, this is what we want. We want to have a fully optimized and title with the most searchable keywords. Okay, so our title will show up the highest possible for our relevant buyers, and that we can make our items sell way faster. Okay, this is our main traffic source, guys, and I cannot stress that enough. Okay, the main traffic source that you have on eBay, okay, it's your title. Okay, people are searching things like in Google, like search engine. Okay, and that is why I'm talking about this subject, because your title is one of the most important things for the buyers to go ahead and find you. Okay, maybe there are more things like pricing, like image, things like that can improve you and divide you from the competition. But the first thing, if you don't have a good title, no one will find you. Okay, and that is super important. Okay, first you need to be found, and then you work on your listings to make them sell and understand pricing, things like that. So the next thing is, the more relevant our title is, the better it will convert. The better it will convert. Cassini loves converting titles. So let me explain. Cassini is the name of the eBay search engine. Okay, it's called Cassini. No one understands Cassini like 100%. Okay, this is really a smart algorithm of eBay search engine. Okay, and what I'm trying to say, that the more relevant your title, okay, and your title will convert more, because you will find the better your title is, the more chance you have to sell your item. Okay, which, as I try to explain you, that there are more things that you need to take in place for your item to sell. Okay, but the first thing is your title, and the more conversion you will have with your title and with your pricing and everything, the higher eBay and Cassini will rank you in the search results, and that is equal for way more sales. Okay, and this is what we want. Like this guy, 10 sold in the last 24 hours. Okay, when he listed this item, it doesn't mean that the next day he was selling 10 listings. No, he built his way up slowly. He created first this optimized title, and then he started to get sales, because his keywords are super relevant, and his price is perfect, and the image is good. And the more sales he got, the higher he started to get ranked. Okay, so should you optimize titles? Okay, so logically, after everything I said, you want to optimize titles. Okay, but the answer is, okay, just before we proceed and I answer for this one small thing, if you enjoyed this video so far, okay, and you find this helpful, please smash this like button. Okay, that will help me to rank my video higher and get to more people and help them out. Okay, this is a small support for my channel. So should you optimize titles or not? So the answer is not. Okay, and like you're asking yourself, what is this guy is talking about? Like, you just lectured how title is important, and right now you're saying that you don't need to optimize titles. So why not? So the first thing, this is not something you can perfect overnight. Okay, this is a skill that requires a lot of time, a lot of experience. Okay, because first of all, okay, if you are an international overseas seller and your English, like me, okay, is not perfect. Okay, my English is really high level, and most of the dropshippers don't have this. Overseas dropshippers don't have this good English, and that can really this is really hard to make a good optimized titles when you don't have a perfect English. Okay, And that is really, even though if you have a perfect English, that is really hard. Even like go by yourself and try it, it's super hard and it's really time consuming. The second thing, the software you use are still software and not 100% accurate. Okay, you have all the tools, okay, but again, no tool is 100% guarantee you that your item will sell, okay, and not guarantee that this is 100% accurate. So the third thing is not knowing if your title will sell or not, and that is a major thing, because you can, like, when you list an item, you can, like, it is like guessing, okay, it's like 50-50 chance that your item will sell, okay, even less than that, okay. If your conversion is like 50-50, it's great, okay, but you will not know if you did a good title or not only if you, like, after you do that, okay. And you need to, like, invest so much time and put so many listings to your store to actually go ahead and see if your titles are good or not, because only Cassini will tell you the if your titles are good or not, because nobody, okay, nobody knows what is a good title, okay, only Cassini. So title is important, but it's not the only main thing which will determine if your item will sell or not. So what I'm trying to explain you here, so the first thing, yes, and that is why is title so important, because the first thing that, and this is your traffic source, is your title. But what determined if you will get views, yes, but you want to get not only views, you want to get sales. And Cassini, okay, it favors listings that has not so many views, but their views are converting, okay, because they want buyers, they want people to purchase on their website, okay. And the less views you have and the more sales, or at least that the amount of the views that you get good conversion rates, Cassini will go ahead and push you up as much as possible in the search results, okay. So what to do? You ask yourself, okay, what I'm doing right now. So let's go again to our really good optimized title and take a look, okay. So this is a winning title, okay. What does that mean? It means that this guy created a good title that gives him the traffic, okay, and generates him sales, okay. So it means that the title that he created, okay, and it doesn't have to be like 100% the same title, okay. You can go ahead and use, for example, 80%, 90%, 75%, something like that. But the way he got his keywords organized, saying that he's getting really good views and this title is working, okay. We want to have titles like this. So if you don't are super like good with building titles and SEO expert or things like that, so this is like the easiest solution for you, is to go ahead and use titles that are already successful on eBay. You can do, for example, if you see here the brand name and you are selling a different item, or there are like keywords that are not relevant to your item, you want to get rid of them and replace them with ones that are relevant, and you can use the softwares that I showed you in the beginning of this presentation. But this is a winning title and we want to use a winning title. So use winning titles that already rank high on eBay, and this is exactly what I explained you, that you want to use titles that are winning, okay. You need to focus on other things that will make your item sales and sell, and also that will help you scale your business, okay, because again, titling is super time consuming. So and why you should do that, I just explained you right now. And so the first thing is save yourself the time to become a title master, okay. That this is impossible. Nobody knows exactly what Cassini loves, okay. The eBay search engine, nobody knows. So you cannot be title master, and that can take you like months, years, like I don't know, that it can take you so much time to perfect that skill, okay. And again, as I explained, some of you guys not talking or writing and reading English perfectly, and that can be way difficult. So the second, title is not the main factor for your sales. As I explained you, title is only the first step, okay? Is to go ahead and make your item visible for a potential buyer, okay? You want to make sure that your everything you do after that the buyer saw your listing, this is things like pricing, things like main image, things like that, okay? This is what you want to focus on after you so you want to make your life easier and to have a good title and focus on the other stuff. Work more effectively and focus on growing your store, okay? If you don't believe me, go ahead and try yourself and try to make few titles and see how long it takes you, okay? That is impossible to go ahead and scale your business fast enough when you're trying to optimize titles for listings, and which you don't know even if they are going to sell or not. We are drop shippers and we don't sell our own products. So for me to go ahead and try to create a new title when this is an item that we drop ship, okay, and other people drop shipping the same items, okay, so it's not a unique item or something like that. So there, if I can find for the exact item, I can find a winning title, I will take this winning title and I will compete with the price. I will try maybe to do like some bundles, or I will try to a bit to change the title or the main image. I will try to provide more value, but I will use the winning title because that is our main traffic source, and we want winning titles. So copy success and make it better. As I said, you want to copy the success, you want to copy the traffic that this guy is getting, and create a better listing, to have a better pricing, to have a better product, or things like that. Be creative, guys. So conclusion, what our conclusion after seeing that presentation? Use successful titles and focus on other factors that will determine if your item is going to sell or not, okay? And like the most, if you are a drop shipper, okay, and most of we are drop shippers, and we don't own our like private item, unique items, okay, so we're selling the same stuff, so we want to be competitive, okay? Today as the e-commerce world is involved, more like pricing is really important factor, okay? Also on Amazon you can see that, on eBay it's starting to be similar to Amazon, and pricing is really major factor. But you can also do other things, but you need to focus on other things to make your item sell, okay? You need to make your item visible with the good title, the winning title, and then use this title to drive traffic and do other things to make your item sell. So focus on growing your business and bring more winning products to your store. So as I said, we want to be focused to scale your business and not sitting and creating titles which you don't even know if they will convert or not, okay? And just do the same thing that as I showed you. Find the winning titles and focus on growing your business and scale it, okay? Because you cannot rely only on one item or one winning title or two winning titles to make you rich, okay? So guys, I hope that you are ready to dominate eBay with this information, okay? I hope you are with me, and after you understand exactly how eBay works and how sales on eBay works, that you will understand that how the process needs to be done, and you will make the right choice, and you will start scaling your business and seeing success, and not stuck on things that are not helping you to grow your business. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to support my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see product research videos, you want to see more videos about eBay dropshipping from AliExpress, manual dropshipping, my channel is the place to be in, okay? And turn on please the bell notification so you will know exactly when I released a new video, guys. Okay guys, so if you are here and you survived so far, it means that you are serious about your eBay business, okay? So really seriously, go ahead, set yourself a reminder for Saturday 8 p.m. UK time. I will be going live and helping you guys and answering all your questions, okay? Set yourself a reminder, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.